thinking about grabbing the Optim Smart Ring. It's all over social media. Track your sleep, heart rate, stress, all from your finger. Sounds super convenient, right? But is it actually any good or just another overpriced gimmick? Let's talk about it. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So the Optum Smart Ring claims to offer full health tracking like sleep patterns, heart rate, and stress levels all in a sleek little ring. It's clearly trying to compete with the Aura Ring, but with a lower price tag. On paper, it sounds solid, but then when you actually start digging, it kinda gets murky. First off, I checked Reddit. Someone asked about the Optum Ring and the Aura Rings of Reddit, and there were basically no real responses. No one's actually reviewed it in depth. That's not a great sign for a product that claims to be a serious health tracker. Tried looking up on Alibaba too, no official listing or detailed specs there either, so we don't really know who makes it or how legit the tech is. And when a product has almost no real world reviews or data, but tons of polished ads, that's usually a red flag. It's giving dropship to wellness product vibes. So is the Option Smart Ring a total scam? Probably not. It might function as a basic tracker, but with no verified reviews or transparency, it's a risky buy. If you're just curious and okay with taking a chance, go for it. But if you want a reliable health data, you're better off with something proven like Aura or even your Apple Watch. Try the Optim Ring? Let us know in the comments and hit like and subscribe if you want more no BS reviews on trending tech and wellness gear.